Be ready. Start. Dear Sir, Para, we have recently placed an order with you representative for several stationery items. He informed us there was a 15% discount on any stationery which we ordered this year. Part of the order has now been delivered, but we are still having difficulties with your head office. Para, I am surprised to note that we have been charged the full price for the items delivered. In fact, some of rates have even increased since your representative's visit. At that time, he assured us that there would be no rate increase until next year. Para, we have also received several items of stationery which we did not order, and these have now been returned to you as requested by your divisional office manager. He also stated us that the first outstanding items on our order would be sent within 24 hours. However, we are still awaiting for this stationery which were promised more than a month ago. As we have had so many difficulties recently with stationery orders, we have thought to use another supplier. We very much regret having to take this action as we have used your firm for several years. Para, you are requested to please look into the matter and attention may be taken in further supply. Kindly note henceforth it will not happen again, or else we will stop to place order to you. Hope you will take care. Para, yours faithfully.